Welcome to Pip Insight. Thursday, 16th of July, Asian pre-open. This session, we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture. 4 showing bullish structure and 3 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's Asian pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure: Euro dollar, pound dollar, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar. Pairs showing bearish structure: gold dollar, dollar Swiss, dollar Canada. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you're here for the gold breakdown, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. Gold is sitting at around $4,039 heading into the Asian pre-open, and the structure here is moderately bearish. On the 4-hour chart, price has been carving out a clear corrective move from the July 14th high of 4,112, printing progressively lower closes and trading beneath both the EMA20 at 40.57 talons and the EMA50 at 40.78. Those moving averages are now acting as dynamic overhead resistance. The hourly picture reinforces that narrative, with Wednesday's spike up to 40.89 getting immediately faded and sellers pushing price steadily lower through the session. On the 15-minute, overnight price action has simply consolidated in a tight range between roughly 4.33 and 40.40. Stabilisation, not reversal. Now on the fundamental side, today's US calendar drops at the same time, with retail sales, core retail sales, unemployment claims, and the Philly Fed all hitting at 8:30 Eastern. If that data bundle prints stronger than forecast, dollar strength could weigh on gold and accelerate a move toward the $4,005 to $4,020 support zone. Softer numbers could offer gold a short-term lift back toward the $4,060 to $4,075 resistance band. We also have 2 Fed speakers later, Logan and Schmid, so watch for any hawkish tone there. Into the session, the levels to keep front of mind are $4,060 to $4,075 above and $4,005 to $4,020 below. Euro dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.1483 and 1.1487. Support is marked between 1.1444 and 1.1447. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound dollar. The chart is showing clearly defined bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.3558 and 1.357. Support is marked between 1.348 and 1.3495. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1 hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.8082 and 0.8095. Support is marked between 0.803 and 0.8044. Here is the full chart breakdown. Aussie dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 0.7017 and 0.7023. Support is marked between 0.6988 and 0.6996. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1 hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.5864 and 0.5868. Support is marked between 0.5835 and 0.5839. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1 hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.4065 and 1.4078. Support is marked between 1.4025 and 1.4035. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the Asian pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at ForexXinsight for updates. See you next time.